Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to cover the practical questions of HTML. This will give you a better practice on the topics that we have already learned. To check the other videos, please go to the playlist of HTML. There you can find all the videos related to these topics. So before starting, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends too. Let's jump into the video. First question is, create a document displaying details of any famous personality, example Sarojini Naidu, or any person you can, with a background color and a proper formatting. So this is the question given. You have to include details of any person, like their basic details like birth date, parents' name, spouse name, and what are their achievements, and give a proper formatting using your HTML. Let's check the output of this one. This is the HTML code written for this particular question, where you need to display the details of the person. And so here we have used the paragraph tag to put each thing in different line, and then we have used pre for formatting it in this way, and then body tag is there, and I have also given background color as light green. Let's check the output. If you find anything which is not up to your wish, you can change the code here. Let's run it and check the output. You can see here the output appears here as what we want. I have already worked on it. So if you get any mistake or if you want to change any format, you can do that here. So let's check what will happen if you don't include this pre tag here. I'm deleting this one and then check the output again. So before name you don't have a pre, it appears something like this. You can see the change what has happened. So if you include pre, it is in a proper format here. See details of family disappearing because of something written in bold, B tag, and here you can see background color is light green, since the body's style attribute has the properties like this, background color as light green. You can also change this value of light green to something else, sky blue. Check the output again, it changes accordingly. Yellow, if you give yellow, red or whatever, it will change accordingly. Let's give sea blue. Is it a proper color? Nothing is coming. So that's red, execute, it will appear in that format. So accordingly you can make the change how you want it. So here some detail. Next question. Second question is, create the following with animal as the first listener list with some data inside, then comes color, then comes red, green, blue. So the second question looks something like this: animal, and inside animal you have got 3 options, and then comes color and 3 options. So you can see here these two are in ordered list. So when you use ordered list, include the list items as animal and also close it, don't forget to close it. Then comes list item as colors. Again, when you use it, /li to close it. And you can see here inside an animal you have 3 options: cat, horse, cow. So use an unordered list here. So 3 items should be there in the unordered list. Unordered list and list item should be cat, then comes list item horse, and then comes cow. After that you can see here inside colors also another one unordered list has to be used without any number, and then list item will be as red, green, blue, these three. Okay, accordingly close the tag which you are using. So the similar code is used for the program. Let's check the output for that in the editor. These are the values or the list given here in the code. Do trial and error, and we can execute the code and see, run. So you will get something like this bird's image. Then you have to find out the URL and use the img tag with the source. The source, you should have an URL for that URL. What is the URL of that particular image? And then you have to write some detail about the bird or the text about the bird. Let's see how the output will look like. You can see on the left side the code looks something like this. Let's see the output of this one. So this is the output with an image. The details of the bird is written here. So you can see the output shows northern cardinal in a bold letter with some heading. So I have used the H1 heading tag which you have learned. H1 to H6 is available. So if you need the bigger one, you need to use the H1 first. So H1 is written, inside that you have written the letters that you want to display in that format. Then comes image. So source of the image is required. This is the URL and you need it to be aligned to right. If you change it to left, something else will be the output. Let's check what it will be. So I have changed it to left, then the output should come. It appears on the left side. So that is available. So I'm changing it again to right. So it goes to the right side. Then comes details of the bird, and you can see here after some lines automatically the information go to the next paragraph. So here you have to give a p tag which makes it to continue with the new paragraph. Okay, so that we have used in between, just before p and just before it and just before this it. So there you can see in the code pp is used. Okay, you close the body tag and close the HTML tag. Next question is, write an HTML code to set the background color as yellow. So this is the question. So what it demands in the question, let's see. You need to write HTML code where background color should appear as yellow. That's a very simple question. Let's check how to do it. For this question, you are going to use body style as background color. So the change should be made in the body so that the whole document gets the color for the background. And the information is as usual, which you have used in the previous question without an image. So let's execute it. You can see some information in the background of yellow. You want to change the color, you can directly give here this yellow as some other color, green or something like that, which you wish. Okay, so that's a very basic question. Don't forget. Hope you understood these 4 questions. Let's see in the part 2 of the same video. If you have got doubts, do comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and give it a thumbs up if you like the content of the video. Thank you for watching.